Hello friends around the world and welcome again to my channel. Here is Assia. Today we have a kind of conversation about dating in Morocco. So I see that you guys more interested in this subject. I think because guys, everyone knows someone in their life might know dating or just friends or family already or like husband, wife. So this topic or this conversation, I think is more realistic for reasons everyone is learning Darija over here, sorry. And yes, so guys, yeah, let's talk about a little bit about dating, but this time let's talk about like dating or knowing someone for marriage from the aspect of Moroccans, how we see it. Guys, it's very important to know that in Morocco or Morocco in general is a conservative country. We are in a modern way, of course. We are growing. Morocco is growing economically and all, but the country and the culture of people is kind of conservative still. So we as Moroccan cannot really express truly our feelings and or talk about subjects like dating, knowing persons, even friends. Is that for me as female, like talking about male's friends, or how so, or to express about like any kind of love, even like to talk about it in family, about like I love you, or we aren't this people. I mean, like our culture is kind of like more expressing by acts, like either bringing gifts or like caring, asking, like for example, if the family needs something, or so we are this kind of people. We show in acts. We not kind of people that like talk emotions, you know. So it's we still if we grow up and we do this, we still find it like a little bit strange. And even our families, father or mother, or they're gonna find it weird if we start like telling them we love you or something. But I'm not talking about everybody, of course. I'm talking about parts of society, and some people are more open to talk, to express emotions. It depends on the family, but society itself, it's kind of this genre, yes. So that's what I want to explain first for people that never understand the differences between them and Moroccan people. So sometimes it's could be having conflicts just because I don't understand the other person's culture, you know. And sometimes we find other people behavior very weird. Why they act like this? Because we don't really know the other person's culture. We don't really know what their aspects from things, how they grew up, how they see things differently from us and all. So I think we sometimes have this complex because we ignore things. So this is a part of it. Yes. So I'm here also today to not talk about bad people, because every country it have bad people. You can like find them, of course. But I'm talking here about the typical ideal Moroccan person, respected one, right one, and all. So as we are, I guess, Moroccan people, so yes, we want to talk about these people. So if you ever met Moroccans, so good people, you want to marry them, so you're gonna start to feel that they are so friendly with you. This is the first aspects that you're gonna find. They are very friendly, okay? They start to smile in your face when they see you, especially if they love you, she or he love you, and loves you, of course. And yes, so this is the start of it. The start of it is getting familiar with the person, but keep in mind that as Moroccan, we aren't really open book, so we have some problems we deal with, kind of family problems or something. Not all people, of course. So I'm talking about like exceptions. I'm talking about like in general, if either the person has some family issues or something, so he's not gonna easily open up to you, but still gonna love you and discuss with you things. Also gonna tell you, but not really like in the beginning, but they're gonna tell you slowly, once by once. And also if you know and you have feeling for each other's, of course the person gonna introduce you to his or her friends. This is as a start, and after they're gonna introduce you to family. But keep in mind, maybe the introduction to the family will be a little bit late. Why? This is due of the culture, as I explained in the beginning, because we are a conservative country, so it's gonna take a time to talk to the family, express itself. Where did you meet this person? Is this person serious person to you? They want to be married to you and all, because like for a good Moroccan person, the goal is the marriage. So this is the idea. We have the idea to marry a person, so that we know them, okay, for the marriage of the goal. So if the person was good, as I explained, so this is, and you have feeling for each other and all, so this is the purpose of the relationship in the Moroccan mind, okay. So the Moroccan mind is for the relationship is for a term of knowing each other's for marriage, okay. Unless you didn't have a family arrangements or something, so this is just if you meet somewhere or work or something, so this is it. Yeah, so as I told you, so don't rush to things, because sometimes it's not the person fault, it's the culture fault, okay. Not really a fault, I'm saying it's a fault, but I mean like the culture issues or the culture understanding. I'm not really using the right words over here, but yeah, you get my meaning, you know. So I'm saying that it's the culture, how to say, the culture to be explained, to be understood, okay, to be explained by the person if there is any misunderstanding in communication, but to understand by the receptor or the other part, or the other foreign person, okay. So yes, I think this is the main problem sometimes between like a Moroccan and a foreigner person, is the communication and misunderstanding of the culture. Sometimes if either the Moroccan misunderstanding, because sometimes we don't know the other person culture and the other person is acting like we know, okay. So this is I think that must be explained in the beginning, because a mixed couple is a couple that have a lot of issues due to culture, okay, to misunderstanding of the culture. Yes, I know I focus a lot in this one thing, okay, but I'm sure any mixed couple right now, they will understand what I'm talking about, okay, because this is at such a huge point and important point to talk about, and I'm sure that they will understand me well. So yes, yeah, so this is it. And of course Moroccan that you're in a love with, either a girl or a guy, they will like call you, check on you, ask about your family. Of course, they bring you gifts on your birthday or either. They will going out with you. If you're at the point of getting married, they will introduce families. And yeah, so this is like how it's going on. And yeah, so you're gonna feel it quickly, step by step, getting to know the person that is very serious to you, because good Moroccan, as I told you, are the right person, especially a Moroccan good person, respected person, is a person in purpose of marriage. So he will quickly share things with you, getting to know you in purpose of marriage. So everything gonna start to be clear in the beginning, okay. So because as Moroccan Moroccan, we don't open up easily to like, for example, strangers. Yeah, we are friendly, of course, but we don't open up like to talk about either our families, problems, things in our life if we don't really admire the person, trust the person next to us, no. So yeah, so this is very important to us as Moroccan. It's like under the trust and the respect. Okay, so I think this is people can agree with me in this two acts, so two things. Also kind of the relation. Okay, the relation is also important to us as Moroccan. I didn't put this point because everyone's religion is different, but as Morocco is an Islamic country, so is a lot of Muslim people, so maybe it's if you meet a Muslim person, yes, the relation is very important. Yeah, so you must understand this point. If you're not Muslim, so you must understand this point and really respect it, because if you don't respect it, I'm sure there are gonna be some problems in the relationship and you guys not get into any point. So yeah, so this is very important to any Muslim Moroccan, unless your religion is not Islam. So I'm not really knowing what is important to you in this point, so I'm not talking about something that I don't know. Okay, so yes, move on to another thing that is the family. Okay, you're here in the point of getting married. Okay, so if you're in the point of getting married, it's very important to us as Moroccan is to admire our family, so you get along with our families, because we are and they are parts of us. Okay, meaning our culture, we are very attached to the family. Okay, the family is very important to us in our lives. For example, we are living with them until we grow up, and some people like still either they grow up, so they still live with their parents. So yes, you must get along with the family, as I said, especially like the mother. You must know her personality and all, because maybe sometimes is the mother can live with you, the mother of the person. It depends on every person. I'm talking in general, guys. Don't take my words like for sure it's your life. I don't know your life, how is it? I'm talking in general. So as this is just to tell you guys that the family it's really a part, and explaining the parts of it, like every person's preference, needs. I'm not knowing everyone's situation right now. I'm talking just in general, guys. Okay, so don't get upset or something. Don't get offended by my words. I mean, like, okay, so yeah, this is it. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below, so I will be glad to answer the questions and or have any comments or additional things. No worries. So okay, guys, yeah, now if you're in state of like already married to the person, okay, already married to the person, of course you're gonna know that you are gonna visit the family so often. See like especially in occasions, if the person is Muslim, the occasion like Ramadan, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, so you're gonna pass it with the family, especially if the family is close to you. Like, so yeah, so this is part of society, and we want the culture as well, like I mean the culture. So we want especially like the kids to feel it, to have the, I think, and this is in all countries, plus your holiday with the kids and having a big events, and you know, like that's like the charm of it. The charm of it is to stay with your family, to see them and all, and also is like maybe the, for example, if you already married, like the person wants to have like Moroccan food, and you, for example, learn it. Maybe the mother of the person is teaching you how to cook, and especially you can call her mom as well. So this is very nice, and we like it to hear it in Morocco. So especially when the person is getting married, so the other mom is become your mom, so your mom as well. Yes, so that's very important. And yes, so she can teach you how to cook Moroccan food, and she will be very friendly with you. I'm talking about good people, of course. Yes, if you are in a situation with a bad person, so you must like think it twice. Okay, so this is it, guys. I hope this helped you a little bit to understand your partner, and